Bia kamal ka nur online TV channel ke jan gwasame te kon kelar mu kon lingwasame larban lingwasame turbil mi ci yak turbil mo turbil mi ci yak kam juba kana waw la turbil jena ka waw ko le ko juba wajane en turbil mo chala do jan teleje license ala number plate teleje license meta tare kien number menyu da gwanu terbil kume wala telbira anduno tara kan mo ka flat number ke ka license an turbila mo jena ka wow we jan we ka juba ano wan turbil chatian ke kisne tuari te trade bia tur de bia nenta ala jan chatian ke kinatuare ala la loop lakini tuare kiskel take 40 kilogram la 40 kg ala tiak de 40 janwan tiak mi janwan la kitkel karwada you know kalat re torbiela me menen yen torbiela mane jen ala kid mo tiak de karwa ala kid torbiela mane jen torbiela mane torbiela me shayak tiyeta ano ala driver ki ramadan la gere shaliw alo cha togono ala ramadan trade ramkel chigani to ramkel karwala ke jen tele document cha je ke chenga document tot tele jangade tele je document jala kam waw we ke juba ke turbil mitale flat number mitale number ka tele license ka tele document jal ke de kula identified no nga okay shu ramadan ge turbil shaliw nana je jin gari karwado ko ngoda yake ano de kon kularo jen spin meninde ger ka jamo ka duoba wa te taro dien da gera ma ka nyok turbil tele jangade nyok mi kon wi kon gwa de kon wi chere mi turbil duango no okay. A numberless car has reportedly overturned en route from Wau to Juba this evening, leaving unidentified driver dead. The identified man was discovered to be the only person on board, according to report. According to police report in South Sudan, the deceased driver was found to lack authentic documents, including license, driving permit, logbook, while the car itself lacked a number plate. An eyewitness said the car was carrying about 40 bags of lalup in pickup Toyota, with one bag 40 kg. The authorities are yet to be traced his identity, but suspect to be from Awil, according to initial investigation. Jendana chaling namo gere turbil gere men gere korwade anyok tere turbil korwade turbil sha overturn